Hello, Facebook, YouTube. We got here the 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500. We replacing the knock sensors. Knock sensors is located in here. This is the new ones already. So this is a new harness. This is how the sensor look like. This is one. This is the second one. So we was having a check engine light saying that the knock sensors needed to be replaced. So we go ahead and change both of the sensors and the harness. This is the harness right here. And the two sensors, that's the intake. That's what needs to be replaced. It needs to be removed. This is the intake gaskets. We put in a new intake gaskets just to avoid any problems to it. So this is the whole intake manifold right here. So this goes on top there. This goes on top. And basically we just gotta clean that out real good. Make sure it seals correctly. And we'll be done with this job. So this is how you replace a knock sensors on a 2002 Chevy Silverado 5.3. It's pretty similar job to a 6.0 Chevy and a 4.8 Chevy too. It's a similar way to do it. So yeah, man, give us a call if you need to do a job like this. So thanks.